What's up, guys? Julian Henner here, and I'm gonna do some Rubik's Cube drop test.
So guys, if it fails in the picture, I don't know what you. Hey yo, you drop it right here, I'm gonna get. Wait, I'm gonna get some. Hey, you wanna drop it right here? Here.
I can't understand you guys.
You drop it right here. Hindi kita. Ano wait. So, because I'm gonna take a picture and then If you said like that, you said like that. I'm not talking. Just go do that.
Drop test of Rubik's Cube in 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, that's so strong! So strong, cube. The cube is so strong. Sana it's all. Sana it's all.
Give me, I'll throw it again. Hey guys, give me, I'll throw it again.
It did not break.
Okay, like,
Rubik's cube is so strong.
Labjit, just
Just
throw it there. Get out.
Sorry naman.
Sorry.
Hindi maglaro ka.
Go, throw it there.
Wait. It just broke by itself there. Run!
Okay, so I'm going to do drop test.
What means the electricity?
Drop test.
There.
Where?
There. Where you throw it hard, ganun dito. Dito.
Yeah, okay.
Throw it there, ha? Wait, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna drop it. 1, 2, 3, drop. Ooh. It doesn't break. Okay.
What the heck? The Rubik's is so strong. Only 3 pieces of its cup. Give it to me again.
Or like that.
Okay, so my friend will smash the Rubik's Cube very hard. And let's see what will happen. Go!
I'll drop it like that.
It's very strong, guys.
Drop test level 2.
Only 1 cup of it break.
Look. Here comes the fun. That doesn't do anything good.
Come on!
Let's just go do the hard.
Do your hardest! Do your... What? It's so strong! Do your hardest!
So, probably this will happen. This part was supposed to be here. Then it break. Oh, Lovejet, I want you to fix it. Sit there.
Throw it very hard! I dare you to throw it very hard.
Not in the ground. That's sige. Relax na. Hindi pa namin tinatapon yan. Ayaw masira.
Ako nasisira.
Ako na.
Ano pa isa yun, no?
Problem!
What? Where?
I cannot put it here. Then never mind it. Just throw that off.
Sorry guys about the sun. Sorry guys. There.
Throw it hard like this?
Yeah. Drop it like that. Like that.
Wait, there. No, I'm gonna throw it down. No, just go here. Go here. I'm gonna throw it down here. Go here.
It's the sun.
Go near the cube.
So-
There. I'm gonna throw it here. And then hardest.
What?
Then can you slow-mo that one?
What the heck?
Let's show them what.
This kid can broke 1 strong Rubik's. His name is Pete. Okay, like and subscribe, guys.